Hello dear friends, today we will learn her voice in our constitution. 26th January Republic Day. 26th January marks India's Republic Day because the Constitution of India came into effect on this day in 1915. Someone 1950. Some brave women came forward to write the Constitution. Barbie highlights them. Do you now? Out of 299 members who wrote the Constitution of India, 15 were women. They were freedom fighters, lawyers, social reformers, and all were brave leaders. They spoke in the Constituent Assembly about equality, justice, education, and women's rights, even when others tried to stop them. Meet the change makers. Annie Muscarine, a lawyer from Kerala who believed in needed a strong but fair government. She later became the first woman minister in Travancore. Hansa Mehta, a freedom fighter who believed women should have equal rights, not special favors. She also worked with UNESCO and promoted education for all. Dakshani Beludhan, she strongly opposed untouchability and supported Article 17, which ended it. She believed the Constitution should change people's lives, not just law. Rajkumari Amrita Kaur, a princess who chose service over luxury. She became India's first woman health minister and helped build AIIMs. AIIMS. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, a global leader who became the first woman president of the UN General Assembly. Durgabai Deshmukh, known as the mother of social works in India, she worked for women's welfare and justice. Begum Azad Rasool, the only Muslim woman in the assembly, she spoke for unity and a secular India. Ammu Swaminathan, a social reformer who fought against child marriage, caste discrimination, and advocated for voting. Why do these women matter? These women did not just help write a document, they helped shape the soul of India. At a time when women's voices were often ignored, they stood up with courage and confidence. They proved that leadership does not depend on gender background or wealth, but on values, vision, and determination. Because of their effort, the Constitution be- become a promise of fairness and dignity for every citizen. They made sure that ideas like equality before law, freedom of thought, and respect for all communities were clearly written and strongly protected their works helped ensure that every child has the right to education and opportunity. Women are recognized as equal partners in building the nation. Every citizen is treated equally no matter their caste, religion, or gender. India remains a democratic and secular country. These women also showed that change does not happen overnight. It takes patience, courage, and the strength to speak up even when it feels difficult. Their journey reminds us that small voice can create big change. Today when Bill sorry Today when we read the constitution, vote in election or speak freely, we are enjoying the rights they helped protect. Their words and ideas continue to guide our country even many years later. Thank you.